In the last video, we have seen how to enable email 2FA using Ultimate Security. Today, we will set it up from the scratch. To get started, first click on Login and Authentication. This brings us to our main 2FA option and press Email OTP. For your convenience, here is the quick process from the last video. Enable email verification switch from here. Now select Enable for roles. You can select who you enforce 2FA from here. We're going to select Administrator and Editor to make sure our high-level accounts are fully protected. Once done, hit Save Changes. Now that the feature is live, we need to activate it for our specific user. Head over to Users and then Profile. From here, scroll all the way down until you see the Ultimate Security section. In the Selected Method dropdown, pick Email. To make sure everything is linked correctly, click Send OTP code to your email. You'll get a 6-digit code in your registered email. Check your email and put the OTP in the box for verification. You're almost there. Click Save Settings under the 2FA section. You can reset the setting if there's any mistake. And this is important, make sure to scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Update Profile so WordPress remembers these changes. The final test. Now let's see it in action. Open a new browser and try to log in. We will enter username and password. And there it is. Instead of going straight to the dashboard, the site asks for that verification code. Just enter the code you received, click Verify, and you're in. Simple, effective, and much more secure. Thanks for watching.